Welcome to Oven Foods. Today I'm making chili cheese toast, crispy bread topped with spicy garlic butter and melted cheese. A quick and delicious snack perfect for breakfast or evening cravings. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons butter, 1 chopped green chili, 3 cloves garlic. Add half teaspoon chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix everything well to make a chili garlic butter. Use fresh garlic for better flavor. Take a bread slice. Spread the prepared chili garlic mixture evenly. Add mozzarella cheese on top. Sprinkle a little more chili flakes. Heat a pan, add 1 teaspoon butter. Cover the pan to melt cheese evenly. Place the bread slice on the pan. Cover and cook on low heat until the cheese melts and the base becomes crispy. Remove and serve hot. Cheese toast is loved all over the world. Garlic adds a strong and rich flavor. Chili flakes give a spicy twist. It is one of the quickest snacks to prepare. Use low heat to melt cheese properly. Do not burn the bread base. Cheese provides calcium and protein. Garlic has natural health benefits. Homemade snacks are more hygienic. You can control butter and spice levels. Your crispy chili cheese toast is ready. Serve hot and enjoy the cheesy spicy taste. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Foods for more easy snack ideas.